Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the ROG monitor, then lay it face down on a soft cloth to protect the panel. Use a Phillips driver to remove any backplate screws and pry off cable covers to expose the connector area. This prevents damage while you work. Once done, make sure to list all removed screws and keep them in a small container. You're creating access to the stand mount. Do this now so the next steps are simple and controlled. You now remove the stand hardware. Hold the stand with one hand and use the screwdriver to loosen the main bolts securing the stand to the VESA bracket. If your model has a quick-release tab, press it while you support the stand so it doesn't drop. That tab releases an internal latch. Once the fasteners are out, lift the stand straight up and away from the monitor to avoid catching any wiring. Make sure to check under any plastic trim for hidden screws before lifting. You finish by reinstalling any backplate or VESA cover you removed and routing cables away from the mounting point to prevent pinching. Once the stand is off, attach the monitor to the new mount or place it safely for transport. Then test power and display to confirm nothing was disturbed. If something goes wrong, make sure to recheck screw torque, alignment of the VESA plate, and whether a quick-release tab is partially engaged. That's the common cause of a stuck or misaligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.